Congratulations, guys. You finished up Linux System Administration Intermediate level. Proud of you. I hope you learned a lot. I hope you really enjoyed taking the course and learning from me. This has been a course from coding-bootcamps.com. Be sure to follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, and Twitter, and other social media platforms. So let's talk about what we covered in this course. So we went over working with the Linux kernel, shell scripting overview, system backups, troubleshooting the system, basic networking, LAMP server basics, introduction to system security, the Samba file sharing system, as well as the network file systems. We also did some homework. We did bash scripting exercises, and we did a couple projects, one to check disk space on our servers and machine, as well as another one for a cron job for a MySQL backup. Again, congratulations for completing this course, guys. Be sure to continue your learning. Look up as many examples and different bash scripting projects as you can. You want to keep using these skills, guys, and keep doing as much as you can to keep your skills crisp and in tune, okay? So some courses to follow up with this class is going to be Learn PHP Programming, Intro to Linux Bash Scripting, which is another course that I'll be teaching, Intermediate Level Linux Bash Scripting, which again is going to be another course that I'll teach, and then Intro to HTML and CSS. Again, guys, thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this course. Be sure to check out other courses on coding-bootcamps.com. And again, follow us on social media platforms such as Twitter, YouTube, LinkedIn, and others. Looking forward to seeing you guys in the next courses.